guys, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you that how we can make our text on arc. Okay, like align, but it's very some little bit different. It's a simple video. I will not take your much time. So let's start it. Okay, when you create your arc or circle, just after that make explode. Okay, then it will work, and your text should be multi-text, not single text. You can see here I make a multi-text here. So I need to align on arc this text. So how we going to be do? So just type ARC text. You can see here came already. Then select the arc and paste your first of all copy your text whatever you need to be make it arc. Okay, then give the size. For example, I'm going to give or keep it same 20, or you can make it 25 or whatever you need. I keep it 20 because before I tried. I click OK. Now you can see our text is aligned. So now you can delete this. Now you can see our channel name, AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. It's aligned here. I'm going to be create a fresh one here. You can see. Okay, I create a circle. Now I'm going to be make it half of the circle. Okay, then I am going to be trim at the downside, because downside it will come not come. So I'm going to be create above. So just move it your text here above and explode the arc. Then type ARC text, enter. Then you should select the arc. Okay, now paste your text, whatever text you are going to create, whatever size you need, and click OK. Now you can see our text is aligned. Why I create this tutorial for you? Because before yesterday I create a logo, so we need to create a text on the logo. So we are creating some helmet logos for the safety or something like that. So we create text like this. So that's why I create a tutorial. Maybe it's useful to you also. I hope you like it. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so when I uploaded a video you will get a soon notification. Thanks, take care of yourself, bye bye.